So for today's tutorial, I am going to be showing you guys this magenta inspired makeup tutorial from the movie Rocky Horror Picture Show. It's one of my favorite movies of all time and I've always wanted to do a tutorial on this look. I'm going to show you guys how to do the makeup and the hair as well if you guys stay tuned later after the makeup. If you guys have not seen that movie, I highly suggest you guys do. If you love fun, weird, crazy musicals, you will not be disappointed. You guys will love it. Definitely one of my favorite movies of all time. I have a Columbia tutorial that I have also done as well. If you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I'll leave it listed up here. But yeah, if you guys want to see this magenta inspired makeup tutorial and hair tutorial, then just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I already teased my hair a little bit. I don't want to be too teased while I'm doing this tutorial, so I'm gonna pin it back for now and tease it more a little bit later. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start this off the exact same way that I did with the Columbia tutorial. I'm going to be grabbing the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y205. The reason why is because this is the palest foundation I own. They actually went ahead and sent me this one. I do not wear foundation except for Halloween time for obvious reasons. I'm going to grab my Morphe M439 brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and start patting this all over my skin. Magenta is very pale. I want to be as pale as I can. And again, exact same thing for the Columbia tutorial. Magenta's makeup looks very cakey. Like, very cakey. The whole point of this movie is 70s cakey, fun makeup. Like, you're not even trying, basically. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with the NYX Finishing Powder, HG Studio Finishing Powder. I'm gonna grab this big fluffy brush. Not sure what brand this is, but it's the brush I had laying around. And I'm just gonna buff this powder all over my skin. Like I said before, you guys, the cakier, the better. This makeup is not supposed to be airbrushed. It is not supposed to be perfect. It is supposed to look like you just took a big powder brush and just slammed it across your face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do Magenta's eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and start brushing my brows upwards a little bit because again, her brows are a little more normal. They're a bit thicker. I'm gonna go ahead and take this gray color from this palette right here. It's like a very, very dark, almost black gray. I'm gonna dip my brush in that. And I'm gonna go ahead and start filling in my eyebrows very blocky with this color. Magenta's got some very thick, bold eyebrows that she clearly did not care about making even. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and start smoking out her eyeshadow. Again, you guys, you do not have to be perfect with this at all. I'm gonna go ahead and take this palette that I kind of just had laying around. I like to use it for Halloween stuff. I'm gonna grab this brown from the palette. I'm gonna use just this like flat brush and put this all over my lid because there is a brown color she uses all over her lid that you can see in the picture. So that's what I'm gonna use. And again, you do not have to blend this out. That is the beauty of Rocky Horror Picture Show. Nobody gives a crap. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this black shadow from the palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start sweeping this across like a liner almost. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my black Mayron paint instead. You don't have to wet it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it as is. Still applies to the brush nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a liner. Now I'm gonna go into that black shadow and I'm just gonna go ahead and start kind of buffing out that black that we just put down and making it a little bit smokier. And again, the messier you can go smudging out that top black liner, go for it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing to the bottom lash line and really smudge this out. This is just supposed to be super dirty and grungy. And I'm just using that exact same black Mayron paint without water. And I'm also gonna go ahead and fill in my waterline with that as well. Okay, so now it looks like she has pretty much no top lashes, but she has drawn on bottom lashes. So grab the thinnest brush you can possibly find, dip back into that black paint. Again, I'm going into it without any water one more time. I'm trying to keep it as thin as I possibly can, but even then it doesn't really look like it's super thin anyway when you look at the pictures. So again, just have fun with it and draw a few bottom lashes like so. Lastly, for this tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips now. You can use any red lipstick for this. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Create All On Lip Paint palette. Now that the makeup portion of this tutorial is done, I'm gonna go ahead and start teasing my hair, and you're gonna wanna go ahead and just tease this in sections. And that is it, you guys. That completes this magenta tutorial. If you're looking for a really easy Halloween costume, this is the easiest you're gonna get for sure. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more of my Halloween tutorials I have coming up this month. Have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be, and I will see you guys on my next video. And remember to stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.